Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, May the 9th. Stocks reversed, new relative lows early Friday after the employment data was weaker than expected, then a bounce back for the rest of the session. By day's end, we saw the stock markets positive on the day. E-mini S&P up 4 points at 2056. That reduced the loss for the week to 0.4%, and overall still up 1% year to date. Dow futures down about 1/3%. The Nasdaq led the way up. The Dow futures were up 1/3%. The Nasdaq led the way higher, up 0.5%, and 50 points off the low on Friday. Ended up finishing down 1/3% on the week, but still down 6% overall year to date. Currencies were quiet. We saw the euro currency slide a bit back below that 115 level, actually down 40 points on the week. Mover on Friday a little bit was crude oil, up 50 cents at 44.35. Ended up losing $1.25 for the week, as did gold. Gold was down $5 on Friday, 12.89. Can't stay above $1,300 an ounce. Actually gained $4 on a weekly basis. So where does the stock market stand here this Monday morning after that bounce that we saw after that employment data? Well, we're up a little bit more. We're up 2 points right now in the E-mini S&P at 2055. We're at the end of earnings season. 87% of S&P companies have reported so far, and we've seen 70% beat on EPS and 55% beat on revenue. So now that's behind us. Markets are looking for new catalysts. We've got the Dow futures up 8 right now and the Nasdaq up 16. Currencies are once again quiet. We've got the euro currency around 114 and the dollar index around 94. We'll see if it has a bounce after this sell-off. Seeing a bounce was crude oil. Crude oil got as high as $46 a barrel. Right now it's at $45 a barrel, so relatively unchanged, up about 50 cents, but had a bit of a boost as we saw the overseas markets. We saw Chinese data show that they were importing a lot of oil. And gold is the mover of the morning, down $20 right now, $12.75 an ounce, down 1.5% in that market. Here we got some breaking news. Donuts are being bought. It looks like Krispy Kreme has been taken private actually, for $21 a share. So to wrap up these current markets with a half hour to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit of firmness in the E-mini S&P up 2, Dow futures up 8, and the Nasdaq 100 up 16. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.